This model has naturally curly hair. I start by using electric clippers to trim the lower section short. For the upper section, I use Vern cutting scissors 6V and 6E together. Using horizontal cutting, I trim the ends of the upper section to the desired length. This cutting technique helps create a full and thick look at the ends. The other side can be completed using the left hand, making it both simple and easy. The top section is trimmed using the same method to adjust the length.
Baby, feel the beat, just let go. No, I don't know much, but I know there's something that I can't explain. Give me a sign, I'm wasting no time. I'm yours if you say the words. Show me a
To manage the hair volume, I combine Vern Texturizing Scissors 6EB, 6EA, and Vern Bridge. This combination allows for precise texturizing at the roots and mid-lengths, supporting the hairstyle and adding volume. Vern Texturizing Scissors feature the patented L-shaped teeth design, enabling precise control over hair removal. They are safe and reliable to use, ensuring a worry-free experience.
Welcome to leave a comment. Hit the like, share, subscribe buttons, and click the bell to receive notifications of latest videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. You wanna buy Vern Scissors? Get more details in description.